Over about the last year and a half, we have seen the price of meat and chicken and stuff like that just skyrocket due to inflation. And it was almost becoming unaffordable. But last couple of weeks, we've been lucky and we've been seeing an awful lot of bargains available in the supply of like beef and poultry and pork. Actually, here's one we just went out and we just grabbed 40 pounds of chicken breasts. They are extremely beautiful chicken breasts for $1.47 a pound. Just a week ago, they were actually over $4 a pound. So this year, we are actually working on stocking up our freezer with over 6 months worth of meat in it. In the past, we've always put a little bit away, just because it was kind of a fun game to look for bargains and save some money. But this year, we're just afraid there may be some shortages coming, and, you never know what's going to be available and when the price is going to run right back up and go even higher. So I just thought I'd, do a video and just show you that, we've gotten a lot of meat lately, and all of it's been less than half price. And I will say, I think it's really a good year to be a little bit concerned about shortages in the future. And it almost appears like people probably stopped buying it, and the stock built up, and all of a sudden they wanted to get rid of it, so they just started reducing the price or something. But it's I don't think it's gonna be around forever, and I think it's a good time to take advantage of the lower prices if you do find them, and stock up. We even got a good deal on some bacon here that I'm packing up in the freezer. Boy, I tell you, those thousands of plastic Avid Armor bags that I bought really have come in handy. And then we also found a Barney cauliflower the other day when we went out. Looks just like a purple Barney there. One other thing that I bought for the first time in my life is Spam. My wife would never let me buy it. I've never had it before. And I snuck some in the cart at Costco, and she wasn't real happy when she saw it when we got home. But here it is. I'm going to try Spam someday. I'm thinking about doing some cooking lessons with Spam maybe in the future. I better come up with something good, otherwise my wife's going to throw me out of the house with these 8 cans of Spam behind me. Probably hit me in the head with them. Also, went out and got some apple cider. Usually the guy I buy it from in the carboys, the price went up ridiculous, so I wound up trying some of this Red Jacket cider this year for the first time, just due to the affordability. And I started some of my favorite adult beverage that usually everybody comes around and loves. So there's my first batch of hard apple cider started up now. And I got that Atom Stack A7 laser that I expanded running, and there's my first sign that I made with it for a kitchen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.